homie brewer, let's go. And that's the result. बहुत बढ़िया यार.
I told you it will be nice.
Little BTS of the reels that will be going on.
भाई पहले तो कॉफी बनाएंगे फिर बात करेंगे हम.
Give me the damn coffee, man.
भाई पहले तो कॉफी बनाएंगे फिर बात करेंगे हम.
Just give me the coffee. No scientific explanation. No real coffee दो. जी बरिस्टा भाई बिल्कुल. बड़े आए होम ब्रूअर्स है ना?
Oh shit, man! Don't do that.
Welcome back to Informal Sharmal. This is your host Sharmal, and if you're not aware, this is where we talk about podcasts, coffee, and everything else under the sun. However, today is a very important day. Today we're going to create some home brewer coffee history in New Delhi, India. And how we're going to do that, let me show you. I'm just going to pick up my equipment and then we're going to be out of here. Nope, that's not mine. But this baby right here is. Alright. So we've made it here now, and we're going to get in the car. We're going to go to Blue Tokai Malvinagar. So फिर बढ़िया है, let's go. So we are some 17 minutes away, which is because of the traffic. Otherwise, it's just about 2-3 kilometers. Set. And we're on our way. We won't be doing much brewing today, but it's important to be at this space at this time because this is something that I, as well as the people in Delhi Coffee Collective, which is a community started by home brewers to appreciate specialty coffee, have been working very hard towards for the longest period of time. The folks who are brewing are two veterans in the specialty coffee home brewer ecosystem, which is a very fine, collection of men and women. The two baristas who will be taking over the bar today would be Ankit Makhija, who comes from the world of data, and then there's another individual by the name of Parmeet Dabas, who comes from the world of UX and design. Now, they're wonderful, interesting folks who have been kind enough to have me in their own homes, play around with their coffee setups, and मतलब बहुत मजा आया है हमें ये सब करते हुए. Oh, हाथ से पिलाइए तभी तो होम ब्रूअर वाइब आ रही है. I hope I could say that even my bad coffee is not bad.
भाई पहले तो कॉफी बनाएंगे फिर बात करेंगे हम.
Now, for those of you who don't know, I've been buying coffee from Blue Tokai as a vendor at my job for the last 4 years, and I have a little bit of an advantage when it comes to Blue Tokai. I know their systems inside out. I know the guy who runs the national, regional ecosystem in terms of like sales and customer relations, etc. So the boys brewing behind the bar don't know that about me and my relationship there. Since I've been in this vendor relationship with Blue Tokai, I was able to understand their inner ecosystem of operations a little better. Things keep changing. They got a new app, and a lot of new interesting things are happening in the specialty coffee realm because now people are getting in more into home brewing, like us, and then people also enjoy cafe brewing. And at the end of the day, it's just about coffee getting consumed. So what I ended up doing is, because the number of cups I was consuming in a year was over, let's say, on an average more than like once a week, so 40 to 50 cups in a year average. I took it up to maybe 60-70 cups if I had to go out for like business meetings or something like that. So I ended up just doing kind of a bulk purchase deal with them at the start of the year. And then last 4 years I've been drinking Blue Tokai across the country. कहीं भी इंडिया में थे, मतलब मेरा एक OTP आता है, कोड चलता है, and it's a pretty seamless process. बीच में कभी कभी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, but no complaints so far. And they always keep asking me if I work for them, and I have to keep saying no, not yet, but maybe we will work together in some instance, and maybe now is the time. So Blue Tokai marketing team, if you're looking at this, I think it's about time we get in touch. If it comes up maybe in the later part of the video, or someone is a little surprised, I can't wait to get into it. No better place to start this sort of takeover ecosystem. A lot of baristas have been taking over the bar. A lot of podcasts have been doing this too. The Having Said That show, which is a podcast by young professionals in the creative ecosystems of Mumbai have been running it, and they did a similar thing, which was really enlightening. And then these crazy like coffee bar takeovers started, and I'm here for it. I like coffee, I like bars, and I like to take over stuff. So this really warms our heart. If you really want to support us, support the Delhi Coffee Collective and specialty coffee in India as well as the world in general, comment down Homie Brewer if you watch this video to the end. That's HOMIE, Homie Brewer, to the end of this video. And we really appreciate you being here supporting us. And I would like to repay that gesture of support by informing you that you can click on the link in the description and be redirected to the place for the best specialty coffee brewing equipment, the tastiest specialty coffee known, online, delivered right to your doorstep. Over and above that, you, my informal viewer, can use the promo code INFORMAL, that's right, INFORMAL, at the checkout. That will help unlock a special Shormal discount. So share this information with a friend or a family member who loves coffee. Keep following me for more updates, and let's get back to the video. So that's a little tidbit about my relationship to one of India's leading coffee ecosystems, which is specialty coffee roasteries, online sellers of good ground coffee. And that's a little bit about Blue Tokai for anyone who doesn't know who they are and who may be tuning in from the rest of the world. So it's going to be fun, and we're almost there. See you at the bar. All right, let's go in, and it's going to be fun. This is a very new ecosystem. Yeah, I've been going to the GK1 and GK2 ones for like 4 years now, but this looks fancy, new. Suchali for the Sardo. Fun day. Woo! Fun day indeed. Ankit served the home brewing homie something tasty. Yum. Okay, first customer. That's very good. Oh, yummy. That's very good indeed. Yay, big win. And then we made our way to take some crispy shots of the La Marzocco machine and made our way to Caffeinated Joe to talk to him more about his experience. Here with Parmeet ji, Barista King for the day.
Caffeinated Joe.
Caffeinated Joe.
And I am about to caffeinate myself so that I can caffeinate others and equally.
That is the requirement right now.
Yes, absolutely.
Sir,
I'm very excited to brew.
But yeah, you're excited to brew, and
I'm very excited to brew coffees for customers. Actually, didn't see this coming. 1 year ago, I started brewing at home with a EcoPresso, and today I will be brewing for customers with a proper barista machine and La Marzocco, to be honest.
Yeah, it's an exciting one.
I mean, that's a pretty surprise. I didn't see that one coming, to be honest.
Yeah, and I have to also butt in and say that Parmeet ji and even the other champion, Mr. Ankit, who is coming by, have been kind enough to have me in their ecosystem. We met at it's a community. It's a proper community. It's so weird to like say it. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. So they really made me feel at home. And also pointer that I wanted to like say in line with what sir was saying, that हम usually वही घर की मशीनों पे खेलते हैं. And now it's like basically the big leagues now.
Exactly.
So it's a big one.
Steaming milk and the latte art. That's a really challenge. That's a big challenge, to be honest, in this scenario.
Yeah.
Doing it for yourself, it's just like okay, cool, I don't mind.
Yeah.
If
the tulip is not like the art is not funky enough, तो चल जाता है. But हाँ, the rabbit hole कि आप पहले उसमें manual brewing के साथ घुसते हो, फिर धीरे-धीरे करके है ना? That's what it is. Specialty coffee with Shormal, and featuring Caffeinated Joe today, so it's a win. I have my I'm not a barista like tag, but he's a barista today. So that's where we're going at it with. And you can't wear it today, but yeah, next I'm gonna take some cinematic shots of you guys. And anything else, any parting messages after? This is before.
I hope I could say that even my bad coffee is not bad.
That's the goal. So like hopefully like once we're done brewing, then we'll get on with sir and get a how the experience has been. So we'll catch you into the process.
Unfortunately, the process did not involve looking at these fancy barista machines with dual boilers. And in fact, for the funky home brewers, it started with something much different, and that is actually getting used to wearing apron, back of the kitchen equipment. And then they got distracted and just started making reels. So, unfortunately, content के लिए चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं. And it went in a very interesting way. The homies realized that a barista's job is quite hard, and like any other process, making 1,000 cups a day and making sure that the tulips and the roses look nice on it is a pretty hard task, and taking photos is not gonna just help you there. So we acknowledged this wonderful work by the baristas and moved on ahead.
We're in line now, and I'm gonna do what I had told you at the start of the video, that I will reveal how I make my Blue Tokai order. Hi, I would like one cortado, but with a little bit of the caramel almond drizzle from the cappuccino. Almond वाली जो है वो देखेंगे वो barista डालेंगे ना डालेंगे. I'll be making my payment, but I am basically from Blue Tokai environment, so मेरा OTP डलता है. हाँ, कोड है मेरा, और मेरे जानने वाले इन फ्रेंड्स को नहीं पता ये. सो आप लिखिए, बताना भी नहीं है, वो हमारा सीक्रेट रहेगा. सीक्रेट है वो, हमारा सीक्रेट है. सो 5 बार 9.
Quickly gave them my OTP and other relevant information, and then we were back at it.
OTP आ चुका है. और लिखो जी, OTP है 65996. ऑल सेट? सेट है जी. ओके, बढ़िया. अब मैं बिहाइंड द सीन जा रहा हूँ देखने क्या हो रहा है. अब मेरा ऑर्डर आ रहा है. मैंने स्पेशल ऑर्डर मंगाया है. मैंने मंगाया है cortado but with the touch of almond and caramel, because मस्ती करने का मन था मेरा. फंकी है ना. एंड आई मेड अ मेजर लाइक डिस्क्लेमर बिफोर यू गाइस केम. मैं शूट कर रहा था उनके साथ टू टेल कि आई हैव बेसिकली आई हैव लाइड टू यू गाइस अ लिटिल बिट. मैं ब्लूटूथ कैसे 4 साल से एज लाइक अ बायर वेंडर खरीद रहा हूँ, सो मेरे को उनके इंटरनल्स पता है. तो मैं यहाँ पैसे नहीं देता, मैं OTP दे के काम चलता है मेरा. सो फंकी गाय. अब देखते हैं, अगर उनने कुछ गलत किया तो मैं सीधा एक यहाँ पे उनके कॉल करूँगा. हाँ हाँ जी. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. यू मेकिंग एन एस्प्रेसो? ओके, बट आई ऑर्डर्ड अ cortado. हाँ, एंड आई वांट टच ऑफ almond caramel also. ओके, बड़े आए होम ब्रूअर्स है ना.
Oh shit, man! Don't say like that.
Don't say that if the coffee is bad, you don't have to tell me.
Okay, okay, if you say so. We'll spare your feelings.
Talk this impersonal, man.
I think some help came in and milk aa raha hai. Let's see. How was your beverage, sir? You're happy with your beverage? Badhiya? Okay. So yeah, sir had the first one. Historic moment. अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let's see how far these guys go. क्या लगता है आपको, कुछ कर पाएंगे? बढ़िया.
Yeah, they will do nice.
They'll do nice. All right. Okay. Okay. आ गए हैं मिल्क फ्रॉथिंग करने. अरे अरे वाह. Base is set. Good canvas. And okay. Nice. Woo!
This little latte art.
The homie brewer. Let's go. And that's the result. बहुत बढ़िया यार.
Nah, I told you it will be nice.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Home brewers got it going on.
And going on, indeed, they had.
Pretty good. Actually.
It's good.
It's better than what I do at home.
बहुत बढ़िया यार. क्या बात है.
Thanks to milk coffee.
Thanks to the funky milk frothing which we don't have access to usually. Nice. No, even the art is really good, yaar. makes a huge
The
difference.
art is really good. Art is really good.
Okay. ये कुछ तो cortado आ गया लगता है, मैम से पूछें. Awesome, thank you. I feel much more comfortable. लो जी. Yes. Anji, taste check.
Ooh, that's a high quality slurp right there, man. That's good.
बताओ जी. It's really good. Yeah, I'm actually super happy with mine also. See you, buddy. Good to see you.
अभी हाथ से पिलाने वाली बात होती है।
Oh, हाथ से पिलाइए तभी तो home brewer vibe आ रही है ना?
Getting nice flavor.
It's actually very good, dude.
Oh,
Like the
yeah,
milk,
it's really nice.
the texture is on point. Solid. 10 on 10.
Keep it up.
Let's go. Makija sahab, how are we doing?
Doing good. I'm preparing an ice pour over.
Ice pour over, and I see that now we are basically into the manual side of things. Riverdale, baby, let's go.
Number one is correct. That is Riverdale.
Hey, guys.
Now I'm done. Now the pressure's off.
But yeah, so this is gonna be super funky. I think he's enjoying it more than the guy who's gonna be drinking it because सारी aroma तो यहीं आ रही है.
That's sitting my favorite coffee as
Yeah.
well, the Riverdale.
But yeah, this sounds and looks amazing too. Extraction बढ़िया आई है ना?
बहुत ही सही है यार.
बहुत सही आई है. And the consumer of this beverage is somewhere there, वासु जी. We'll see the next steps. उनका review लेते हैं इसके बाद. बढ़िया. Nice. Okay, customer is here. Oh, nice. Taste test. Nice.
Nice.
बढ़िया. अच्छा बस. यार शाबाश. Lot of money in this game, huh?
And with that, we come to the end of this wonderful experience where home brewers basically collabed with a roastery that spans all of our nation and countries, even like Japan. And it was a wonderful experience altogether. So, support specialty coffee, support our channel, and type informal or homey brewers in the comments section. And make sure to check out the links in the description.